Children, in the previous video, we have completed reading of the chapter 4, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Today in this video, I will explain you this chapter, okay? One day, Aladdin was playing with his friends in the street. Suddenly, a stranger came to him. He saw Aladdin and thought, he is just like the boy as I want. He is very daring and he is very bold. He went to the Aladdin and said, I am your uncle and your father was my brother. I want to go your house. I am very excited to meet your mother. Keen means excited. I am very excited to meet your mother. He took some wonderful gifts for his mother and Aladdin. He bought fine clothes, fresh fruits and food as a gift for his mother and Aladdin. The woman was very surprised after seeing the gifts. He said to Aladdin's mother that I have bought some gifts for you. I really want to know that how you are. Aladdin liked his new clothes and his new uncle. The stranger was a magician. He was very clever. He was very cunning. He was not his father's brother. He was magician and he wanted to use Aladdin for his own gain. One evening, Aladdin's so-called uncle took him to a wonderful garden. There he collected some dry leaves and wood. Then he threw some magic powder on it and he lit a fire. When he threw some magic powder, suddenly everything was moving side by side. Everything was falling down. Aladdin couldn't believe his eyes. He was very surprised. Then the stranger said to the Aladdin that you have to go down the steps. You will find a temple in a garden and a little lamp burning. You have to blow out the lamp and bring it to me. The stranger also gave a magic ring to Aladdin which protect him from all the danger, all the harms. When Aladdin went down the narrow steps, he found a huge cave filled with treasure. He saw a golden tree there. That tree was filled with rubies and emeralds. Rubies and emeralds were hanging on the trees and the ground was covered with heaps of gold. वहाँ पर gold का ढेर था and the gems and other treasures were scattered everywhere. Then he picked a handful of gems and put into his pockets. And then he picked up the lamp and came up the steps. But it was not easy for Aladdin to climb up the steps because he had lamp in his one hand. So he said to his uncle that please help me. But the old man was sly and cunning. He was very clever. He just wanted the lamp. So he did not give help to the Aladdin. But when Aladdin did not give him the lamp, he was very angry. Then he placed a boulder. Boulder means huge rock, piece of huge rock. Then he placed a boulder at the opening of the cave and went away. Now Aladdin was very upset. He was crying. Then he sat on the steps and crying. Suddenly he rubbed the magic ring. When he rubbed the magic ring, a genie stood before him and said, I am the genie of the ring. He said to Aladdin that I am the genie of the ring. Tell me what to do. What can I do for you? I can take you everywhere you want to go. Then Aladdin said, please take me to my home. And he was surprised. Few later, he found himself with his mother. His mother and Aladdin was very happy. Aladdin sold all the gems and lived happily. The powerful magician had gone away for some time, but soon he was back, and this time he had another plan in his mind. This time he took a basket full of lamps and went around calling out in the streets. He was roaming in the streets and calling that change your old lamp for a new one. When he reached to the Aladdin's palace, one of the Aladdin's helper heard his call. She went to the princess and told the princess about that old man. Then the princess gave away the old lamp and got a new one in exchange because she didn't know about the lamp. She had no idea that the old lamp was a magic lamp. And then Aladdin came back. He realized that the old man played a game with him. He tricked him, but it was too late. because old man had already taken away his palace and the princess to his own city. Now once again Aladdin had to took the help of the magic ring. He took the help of the genie of the magic ring. With the help of genie, he found the princess and his palace. Aladdin went there. He bought a powder and asked the princess to mix it in the magician's drink. When magician drank it, he fell unconscious. He felt sleepy. Then Aladdin found the magic lamp and rubbed it. When he rubbed it, the genie appeared before him. He stood before him. Then Aladdin asked the genie to bring his palace princess to his own city. Then the genie took Aladdin's palace and princess to his city, and they lived happily for many years.